everyone, and welcome to Yoga with Julia Wiley. I'm Julia and this is Lucy, and today we have a bedtime yoga sequence to help you let go of your busy day's activities, to let your mind relax and gently stretch out the body so that you can unwind and enjoy the rest of your evening and have a wonderful night's sleep. So this is a very gentle yoga class, nothing too difficult or strenuous. So start off just sitting yourself down comfortably, just wearing anything that you can move in easily and is very comfortable. Let's take some nice deep breaths in and out through the nose, just letting go of any stress, any anxiety or any tension. Nice deep inhales and nice long exhales. Let your chin drop to your chest. Just roll the head slowly around one way, easing out any tension you may feel. Not taking it too far on the way back. And then roll the head the other way. Keeping the breathing long and smooth and deep. Bring your head up. Just bring your left hand onto the head, letting the weight of your arm carry your head over to the side for a very gentle neck stretch. And you might like to bring your other hand up to gently massage down the side of the neck. And then let's do the other side. So gently let your head flow over to the other side, not pulling too hard. And again, you can gently massage the side of the neck if you like, easing out any tension, just gently. And then bring both arms overhead, stretch long. Let's reach up one side and the other. Just stretching out luxuriously, make it feel really good. And then take your left hand down to the side, reach up with your right arm and lean over to the side. Again, keeping the breathing deep and long. And then bring that hand onto the knee, your left hand behind, sit up tall and press into a lovely gentle twist. Looking back, wringing out the spine, making it feel really good. And reach both arms up overhead. Inhale, and as you exhale, take your right hand down to the side. Inhale, reach even longer, and as you exhale, lean over to the side. Again, take it to where it feels really good and hold it. Breathe into the pose. You want to be letting go of tension, not building any. And bring the hand onto your knee, right hand behind, sit tall, inhale, and exhale, press into the twist, looking behind. Again, wringing out the spine from the base all the way up to the top of the head. And gently release. Give yourself a little bit of a shake out here. And then come over gently onto hands and knees. It's Lucy's favourite toy there. We'll go into a wide knee child's pose. So take your knees a bit wider, toes touching. Take your hips back towards your heels and rest down. You can have your hands stretched out long or your elbows bent, whatever feels more comfortable for you, so that you can really relax. Just melt down into the pose. Take a couple of deep breaths here. Close your eyes and feel any tension melting out through the forehead where it's touching the mat or the carpet below you. knees just a little closer, so the hip width apart, coming up onto hands and knees. Take your left hand now and thread it between your right hand and knee and come right down, if you can, all the way down onto your cheek. Press the right hand to the mat into a gentle twist, threading the needle pose. Again, breathe into it, nice deep breaths, make it feel good. And we'll do the other side. So take your right hand this time, thread it through between your left hand and the knee. Come all the way down to the floor if you can. Press the left hand into the mat and look up. And enjoy that lovely stretch. It's a great release, especially for the upper back, where we tend to get hunched over if we're working on an office desk or a table. And then come back to the center, walk your hands out again and pull back. Now this time slide your hands forward so you're dipping your chest towards the mat. Look forwards and then bring your forehead down, unless you're very flexible, and get your chin on the floor here, looking forwards. For most people, the forehead down is very relaxing and soothing. And ease yourself up and come to sitting. Now for the next one, you might like to have a cushion. Bring it onto your lap, and we're going to come into a very gentle forward fold. So lengthen through the spine first, and then bring yourself over your legs and hang down. If you have a cushion, you might like to bring your head or your body onto that cushion just to relax into it. These forward folds are great for releasing tension, just letting go. And ease yourself up very slowly from the pose, and bring your feet together into cobbler's pose, letting the knees come out to the side. You might want to hold onto the inside of your feet, gently pressing the knees out without bouncing. You can even massage the feet a little bit if you like here. Just pressing the knees out and breathing here. Now if you want to, you can bring yourself forwards and hang down into the pose. You can walk your hands out in front if you like, or keep holding onto the front of your feet. Again, it's a very relaxing pose. Ease yourself up. We're going to come and lie down onto our backs. Ease yourself down slowly, hug your knees into your chest and let yourself rock very gently side to side here. It's like a little back massage. You might take your knees a little further away from you and feel how that works, like massaging the very lower back. And bring the knees a little closer, and you'll notice it works its way a little bit further up the back. So if you have anywhere that you have a lot of tension, you might want to focus the pressure on that area to ease it out. And then trace imaginary circles with the knees round and round one way and round the other way. And then bring your feet to the floor into a very gentle bridge. So tuck the tailbone under and push yourself up, not way up into a full bridge, but just so that the body and the legs are in one straight line. Holding it here very gently. And then lower your back down, starting from your shoulder area, the middle back. Tuck the tailbone under and slowly lower down the hips. And again, hug the knees into the chest. Let yourself rock side to side. And then let the feet come to the floor, just a hip width apart, natural distance apart, and let the knees flop over to one side. And breathe. It's just a very gentle spinal twist. Bring the knees up and let them flop over the other side. And bring them back up to the centre. And then straighten your legs out along the mat. Close your eyes. And we're going to go into a guided relaxation. So lift your right leg up off the floor now and press out so that all the muscles in the legs are working. And then point your toes. Again, flex the foot and then drop that leg down and relax it. Now lift your left leg up off the floor. So again, flex the foot, tighten all the muscles all the way from your feet all the way up to the thighs. And then point your toes, scrunch them in. Every muscle is tight. Again, flex the foot. Inhale. And as you exhale, drop that leg and let it relax down. And now squeeze your buttocks in tightly. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And relax. Now press your lower back into the mat. So tummy tight, press down. And relax. Now squeeze the shoulder blades behind you tightly. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Bring your shoulders up towards the ceiling. And relax. Bring them up towards your ears. And then stretch your arms down towards your feet. Now spread your fingers wide. And then make tight fists. Again, spread the fingers wide. And then relax your hands down towards the mat. Take a big breath in. And exhale, release. Now press the back of your neck down into the mat. And then lift the chin, stretching the neck out long. And relax. Press one ear towards the mat. And then rock your head over and press the other ear towards the mat. And bring your head back to the centre. Now scrunch your face in. Nobody's going to look. Scrunch it in all towards your nose. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And relax it. Stretch your arms above your head now. Make one side of the body longer than the other. And then stretch the other side longer. And both arms. And stretch the feet out behind you as well. So the whole body is nice and long. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Bring your hands to rest lightly on your tummy now. And feel your belly rise and fall very gently with your breath. Feel yourself relax more and more. With each exhale, just letting go of any last fragments of tension. And then stay like this, or else bring your hands by your sides. You might like to have the palms facing up towards the ceiling in a total pose of surrender and relaxation. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. I hope you're feeling great and stretched out. Do join me again for one of my future videos. Namaste.